When performing characterization of aluminum alloy samples imaged using an optical microscope, the variable grain boundary contrast, background artifacts, and uneven illumination present a significant challenge, especially under standard operating conditions with operator variation in sample preparation and imaging setup. In the past, grain size information has been obtained using techniques like manual intercepts measurement. As we apply the recipe, we see that MIPAR is able to quickly and accurately detect the entire grains and output the ASTM grain size number. The intercepts are generated by drawing 1,000 random lines through the image, which would be a tedious task to do manually. With the grains identified and measured, it's relatively straightforward to produce a report from the measurement. When sample preparation or imaging conditions change, it's very easy to adjust the grain boundary sensitivity simply by editing the step and sliding the sensitivity slider across. By clicking accept, MIPAR is able to do the rest. It is just as easy to adjust the grain separation strength. Let's open up the setting. We can change the separation strength and quickly see what the result is. In this case, the separation strength does not have much of an impact, but as imaging conditions change, it may help improve the separation of the grain boundaries. Again, by clicking accept, MIPAR will do the rest. We can then regenerate the measurement and regenerate our report. All of these capabilities, detection, grain sensitivity, and report generation, are also available when processing batches of images.